Hey guys, I'm showing you this large plant pots. This is a set of 3 pack with a 12-inch whiskey barrel planter with a drainage holes and a saucer. So you can see it comes in a simple pack with this saucer plates, and there are 3 saucer plates and the 3 pots. So this is a complete set. You can use it for your garden, and this is of plastic, and the flower pots with a imitation is like a wine barrel design. So it can be used for indoor as well as outdoor, and you can put like the things you want in it to grow. As a quality wise, you can see is really a nice quality, lightweight plastic but a solid build, and the design is really nice with the 4 holes, and then you can put in the supplied saucer plate so that it can catch the water. So design wise, quality wise looks fine and can be used for both indoor and outdoor. So the texture of the whiskey barrel, as I mentioned, so this is a good look or nice look, like if you make a design. And here is from inside that how this looks. So it's pretty nice pot design, and the pots for indoor and outdoor use.